That's what's sharpened. Same thing on this. That little block of metal is where all the sharpness is. Nothing else here cuts.
Okay. So that one's thicker.
Thicker, and it's flat top. That blade is the blade that will rip the thickest material here.
So this one on both ends.
Okay. These blades are called dado blades. Everybody know what a dado is from your reading?
I don't know.
What's a dado? That's a dado.
Yay, there you go.
Okay.
So this blade makes that cut?
There's another set that's not tied up in the orange thing over there. Down in there. Can you grab that orange container? Right up in my wrench. That's the ripping blade with the flat top that doesn't have the bevel, alternate bevel. That was the one I was looking for before. It was out there, it had been sharpened. Just sitting there. What? Yeah, it does. I just ripped off 1/4 of it. I'm not going to use that blade. When they sharpen it, they coat it afterwards so they can move it around. Bang it into one another. I mean, they have a, somebody's like SUV full of blades and boxes that are going to different places in Brooklyn. So they just coat them and just throw them in there, and they engrave our name on them so they know that they're our blades. Okay, so let me get this one out first. So a dado set is a set. It comes together, and you get what are called plates and chippers.
Looks like a bicycle thing.
These are the plates.
So they go together?
Take that one off. No, take that one off. Okay. There is a left plate and a right plate. And how do you know which one is which?
The direction of the blades.
That's a right plate.
Where the blades come
I think this direction there.
You can tell from how the where the thing's printed on. These pieces right here, right?
The teeth.
The teeth, huh?
Teeth, where the teeth go.
I said the first time.
The teeth tell you which way. I didn't hear that.
I got this thing. Wait, so the teeth come at you?
Yes, but then which one is the right one and which one is the left one?
The teeth face you and then the letters face out.
No, yeah, but the letters face out on both plates. They face to the left on both plates.
This thing?
So,
Take that off. That's good to know.
Oh, okay. Cool.
The teeth. What about the teeth? Look at the teeth. What's different about the teeth? What do you notice about that one?
Okay, the sharp end is this way. No, these are standing straight up, right? You took it too quick. I couldn't even look at it.
Give it back. Give it back. Give it back.
I don't want to know. Just grab it. I don't want to know.
What do you notice?
I don't want to know.
it's going. Yo, it looks kind of like going right to the right.
It's high on which side?
On this side here.
That's your left, right?
Yeah, the left
It's
side.
high on the left, then there's a flat one, then it's high on the left, then there's a flat one, then it's high on the left, then there's a flat one. What about that one? High on which side?
High on the right.
High on the right, a flat one, high on the right, a flat one, high on the right, a flat one. The high side goes to the outside of the set.
See that?
So if it's high on the right, that is the right blade.
High side goes on outside.
Yes.
Yo, where? Which one is it? So
So
it's going to the
I
left?
take this
One
one
side is
high on the right. When I'm looking at the blade from the front,
That's going to the
I put
left.
that one on.
The high side.